It's out of control!
In an era of artificial intelligence, AI, it is becoming increasingly difficult to differentiate fact from fiction. Videos created using the latest AI tools claim to show, often convincingly, that an event or accident has taken place. The latest in this long line is a disturbing video that reportedly shows a marine trainer named Jessica Radcliffe being fatally attacked by an orca, also known as the killer whale, during a live show. It has gone massively viral across TikTok, Facebook, and X. However, multiple fact-checking sources have confirmed that the footage is entirely fabricated and has no basis in fact. The now viral clip shows the young woman dancing on top of the orca at Pacific Blue Marine Park. People are seen cheering as the whale comes out of the water, but after some time, it suddenly lunges and pulls Jessica Radcliffe under the water. Several users who have shared the video claim the woman died just minutes after being pulled from the water. Despite being shared widely, there is no credible evidence to support the claim that a marine trainer named Jessica Radcliffe was attacked by a killer whale. Authorities, marine parks, and established news outlets have found no record of her existence or the incident. The Star reported the footage is fictional. Even the voices in the clip appear to be artificially generated. Other reports say there is no official statement, which usually is the protocol in case of such mishaps at marine parks. Then the movement of water and strange pauses in the video, as gathered by forensic analysis, also confirm that the video is AI generated. Even the name of the park is fake. These hoax videos exploit a grain of truth to appear plausible. They echo the real-life deaths of Dawn Brancheau in 2010 at SeaWorld and Alexis Martinez in 2009, both trainers fatally harmed by orcas. However, these incidents are unrelated and well documented, unlike the Radcliffe story, which has no official backing or confirmation. In many past instances, experts have said that a video's emotional intensity and realistic production values contribute to its virality. Clips like these tap into deep concerns about the ethics of keeping intelligent marine mammals in captivity, while exploiting sensationalism to spread rapidly, often before fact checks catch up.